Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today I'm going to do a video for you, smoked shotgun shells, but we're going to do my version. Stay tuned. Alright, so today we're going to be doing smoked shotgun shells. I've been seeing them a lot on YouTube and been wanting to try them. But everybody seems to be doing them the same way, which is sausage and then some kind of shredded cheddar cheese. But I wanted to do it a little bit different, and so yesterday me and Brandy were talking and I got to thinking about different ideas, and I thought, why couldn't we do a jalapeno popper smoked shotgun shell? So that's what we're going to do today. A jalapeno popper version of the smoked shotgun shell. So what I've got here is 1 pound of sausage. Now this is the Johnsonville Italian sausage, the sweet kind, but you could get whatever kind that you wanted. Or you could go hot if you wanted to. But this is going to be spicy already. So I'm going to put this 1 pound of sausage into a bowl. It always has paper on the back, so make sure you take that off. So there we go with that. And right here I've got 2 diced up jalapeno peppers. So I'm going to throw those in. And then the cream cheese, because that's what goes in a jalapeno popper. Alright, and I'm going to cut this block of cream cheese in half. I'm not sure exactly how much we need, so we're going to go in with a half a block first. And forgive the noise. We had to cut the air conditioner on out here in the trailer because it's hot as fire outside. So I apologize for the noise, but we're about to pass out in here. So there's the cream cheese. Now we're going to add a little bit of honey hog hot to season things up. I'm just going to mix all this together, and then I'll bring you back after I get that done. Alright, so now we've got everything combined. I did add one big large handful of the cheddar jack shredded cheese in there as well. So that's what we've got. And now we've got to stuff the manicotti shells. Now these are the manicotti shells. They come in trays to try to keep them from breaking. And all of these look really good, thankfully. So now you just start stuffing. Now I'll probably try to be pretty easy so I don't crack them, because you don't want to break them. But you want the whole shell to be full so that when all this stuff starts cooking, that it cooks the pasta as well. So you want to give it a little mash, but be a little gentle with it as well. So when I get all these stuffed, I'll bring you back and show you the next step. Alright, so we got them stuffed, and now I'm wrapping them with the bacon. This is what it looks like when they're stuffed. Okay? And I recommend using thin cut bacon so you can stretch it a little bit, plus it's going to get crispy. And I start with that angled end because I want them to be covered, that way some stuff doesn't ooze out if I can prevent that as much as possible. So then we're going to go over the top and then just keep going, following that same angle, overlapping the bacon slightly until we get to the end. If I can grab it, there we go. Until we get to the end, and then there's your end of the pasta right there. And we're going to fold that bacon over that end so both ends are capped. And that's how we wrap our shells. Alright, now I'm going to season them up, and I'm going to be using Meat Church's Honey Hog Hot. I'm not going to go too heavy with them. Tried putting them over the pan to Stop some of the mess, but I don't think I'm doing a very good job of that. I will flip them over, get the other side. Now, I'm going to be cooking these on the Traeger Ironwood 885 today at 300 degrees. And at 300 degrees, it's going to crisp up the bacon. And it should take somewhere around 45 minutes to an hour, I believe. But we'll see. Now, I will say that this is a little bit time consuming. About like making jalapeno poppers, to be honest with you. But we're going to see if all this work is worth it. So as soon as I get these seasoned up, we'll put them out on the smoker. .300 degrees right on the nose, using Signature Blend pellets. And I think I'm going to do it right there on the top shelf right there. Just like that. And that's how we're going to let them go. 300 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour. Alright, these things are pretty much done, 45 minutes exactly, but I'm going to kick it up a little bit with some barbecue sauce, a little bit of sweet barbecue sauce. This is actually Traeger's apricot sauce, but use any kind of barbecue sauce you want. But I had this in the fridge. I've already temped the inside of these shells and they were like 190 degrees, so they're past safe to eat as far as the sausage inside goes. So all we want to do now is tack up this sauce. So we're going to put them back on for about 10 minutes and then we get the taste test. I'm pretty excited about this. I think this is going to be, I hope it's going to be as good as I think it is. But we're about to find out. Stay with us. Them things look pretty. Alright guys, so we took them off. We let them stay on there 5 minutes to let the sauce tack up because I was ready to try them. I was ready to get it off. So 5 minutes while the sauce was on there. Cut them in half and this is what they look like inside. Look really good. The color on them they're beautiful. But the proof is going to be in the taste test, so let's see how we did. All right. Probably could stay on there maybe 10 more minutes to let the pasta cook just a tad more. It's al dente, but it could go just a tad longer. So I might put these back on for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, but other than that, they're good. The flavors are spot on. Besides the sausage, it does have that jalapeno popper type flavor to it with the jalapenos in there. That's good. I think it's worth the hard work. Alright, so there you have it. Jalapeno popper style smoked shotgun shells. Give this a try. Let me know how you like this recipe, or share with me how you do yours. Make it your own. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. And until next time, we'll be piddling. See you guys.